Forecast.
I'm always fascinated to watch a hummingbird or several hummingbirds at the feeder. Here's one. This is sent in by John Turner here in Charlottesville, and that's a fancy bird feeder, by the way. Here's a nice shot of a soon-to-bloom sunflower. Usually sunflowers are out, but this one hasn't bloomed yet. Jim Carpenter captured that nice detailed macro photography shot today. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. 90 currently at the airport, made up to a high of 94. Of course, we have those hazy skies in association with the Canadian wildfire smoke. Thankfully, well up and higher up in the atmosphere. Dew points are in the mid to low 60s. It's not overly oppressive, but certainly a hot day. 91 was the high at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. You began the morning in the upper 50s, but it will not be that comfortably cool tonight. We've got 90 still in Madison, 88 there in Louisa, 86 in Lovingston, 87 currently in Waynesboro. Visible satellite picture, sun's reflection off the clouds. You can see some of those high cirrus clouds that have been working across the skies here this afternoon, but the winds aloft are out of the northwest, so that's why the haze has reappeared in association with the Canadian wildfire smoke. And again, it's a prolific, ongoing situation that we're not dealing with in terms of direct impacts. Certainly feeling that every now and then with the prevailing winds bringing it into the lower 48. Temperatures here for tonight, either side of 70 under partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, the good news is it's not as hot. A weak front comes through, weak in the sense that there's no precipitation with it, but a wind shift out of the northeast kind of keep temperatures in the middle 80s, which is pretty seasonable. Now, while we have temperatures not as hot here for Tuesday, Wednesday's really the pick of the week, more comfortable. We could start the morning in the upper 50s to low 60s, and then we heat right back up by Thursday. Largely dry until we get to Friday and the start of the weekend. So you look at national temperatures, you can see the big heat out west. That's been an ongoing story throughout the summer. But when we look at the satellite radar combination, you'll notice underneath that heat dome the absence of any cloudiness and obviously absence of any precipitation. Now, Hillary, which was a tropical storm, made landfall in Southern California, the first time since in 84 years. That moisture is still streaming northbound and producing some heavier rain in pockets through Nevada and portions of the northern Rockies. And then this is soon to be Tropical Storm Harold. Harold, it will work into the east coast of Texas between Corpus Christi and Brownsville. There's tropical storm warnings up in association with soon to be Harold. That'll take it inland, some flooding issues there. And then across portions of the Caribbean, there is Tropical Storm Franklin, and Tropical Storm Franklin will likely head north. Gert and Emily will dissipate out in the Atlantic waters, but Franklin will have to be watched as it heads northbound. That could become a hurricane once it moves off the island. Temperatures in the morning, either side of 70. Tomorrow afternoon, it's a nice day. Temperatures in the mid 80s. And as we head into Wednesday morning, we could start in the upper 50s and low 60s. Wednesday afternoon, quite nice, low and mid 80s for afternoon highs. So for tonight, partly cloudy, temperatures warmer, either side of 70. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, pleasant here through Wednesday. We turn hot again here for Thursday, and scattered showers and thunderstorms back in the picture here for Friday and Saturday. We do need the rain. That's still scattered in nature, but Friday will be quite hot, humid as well. And the front will come through and make for a nicer day as we get into Sunday to finish out the weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you.
And